When you make a shirt, how much cloth, buttons, or thread are used? These two concepts, consume per and produce per, help answer such questions. First, let's explore consume per. Consume per tells you the amount of each component needed to produce 1 unit of a product. Imagine a shirt as your product. Each shirt consumes 2 meters of cloth. It also requires 5 buttons per shirt. And 10 meters of thread are used for each shirt. Now let's examine produce per. Produce per indicates how much output is generated per unit of input. Take 1 barrel of crude oil as the input. You also get 0.30 barrels of diesel, and 0.1 barrels of LPG are produced. Let's quickly compare the two concepts. Consume per goes from input to output, showing how much you consume. Produce per goes from output to input, showing how much you produce. These metrics are powerful tools for business planning. Consume per helps calculate raw material needs in a bill of materials explosion. Together, they link forecast, BIM, production plan, and actual output. Remember, consume per tells you what goes in. Produce per tells you what comes out. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.